Hi friends, how are you? I hope you are quite well, and sorry some days I was busy, then I can't provide any data on my YouTube channel or website. So today I will provide you. Here is world largest font collection, and total file is, you see here. Wow, total file is 5.75 GB, but don't worry, I will compress you for you. You can download in 3+ GBs these because compressed file, and total files are here, you see. And here is folder 1049. Okay, and here is font compressed, and these are files TTF and FP files. Wow, here is 279 file and back. Next is 255 files. All files are TTF file. Here is 3000 fonts. You see here 3013 fonts. All files are TTF. Additional language fonts. Okay, and here is different folder: Adobe Arabic, Adobe Arabic bold, italic, regular, and here is Thai. Adobe 100 handwriting font, amazing. Here is 100 total. You see here the total items of 100. And Adobe hybrid font. Here is 5 folder, Western font, and here is Pro font. Okay. Wow, here is total folder is 449. Creative font designer. Okay, and here is WinZip, and you see here 1000 plus creative designer font. Okay, and TP fonter. Oh wow, you see here is 25 name text. Font collection. Wow, here is S. You see 5164. All name start with S, and here is start with F and 0. Wow, hobo. So here is 1987 font, and last font is font mega pack. Font files same here, A to M letter, start with M, start with L, K, I, H, G, F. Okay, and here total files, property, and you see here 20,209 files, and this folder size is 1.14 GB. So I hope these fonts are useful for you. Kindly join my Telegram channel, the Sheri SK official, and subscribe this channel. Take care. Allah.